Rowdy, and this is a bike check. This is my Norco Range C7 2019. I recently painted it, and it took a lot of spray paint cans. It was probably like 9 blues, and then I flickered some pink stuff on there, pearl scent. I just realized this is not going to be 30 seconds, but I did a pearl scent and then put like, I'd say like 10 coats of clear.
What you painting?
What's that? Secret. And I have it set up for bar spins, deity bars and stems. Got 32, Fox 32, EXT in the rear, 160. It's honestly the best feeling coil there is. Got Smoney's saddle. What else? We got a GX derailleur on a single speed as a chain tensioner. It's pretty mint. Novatech and factory component wheels. They stay true all the time. HT pedals, and I rolled out the cranks and stuff. And the gearing is, I think, 34/18. So I run my suspension pretty stiff because like you could pop more on jumps, and it depends what I'm riding. If I'm riding a trail, I go like, say like 32-ish and all that. I usually run tubes. Have a 500-pound coil on here to take some big hits. I think I need to go bigger, but yeah, I have my stem set up for bar spins. They're super cool. Oh, wrong way. Just do, I think, just like 2 or 3. Post ride, Chipotle for sure, or pre is Taco Bell. Konnichiwa. Ooh, Cam McCall for sure.
What if Cam's watching this video?
Hi, Cam.
Thank you for the tail whip advice. I appreciate it, and like it actually makes sense in my head. This is my backyard. It took probably, I'd say, a couple years. I slowly started building. Like a long time ago when I first started, it was like right here. It was just like a little hump, and I just kept pushing it back and back. And then I had like a solid base. Then recently I had my friend with the Bobcat come tear up the yard and push the dirt on the landing and stuff. And now, here it is, 2020 or 2021 or something like that.
that'll do.